How to change the language for voice dial only on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Then we go down and in here tap on Side button. After that, we scroll down to the bottom in the voice dial only, tap on Language. From the list of languages, we can select a language that you would like to use. So here I will choose English United States and then tap on the back key, tap on the back key again to go back to the previous setting page, swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.